Let's install a network interface card inside of a R660 Poweredge server. Let's go. You want to rip this baby right open and take her right out the box. As you can see here, this Poweredge server, I would say weigh less than about 25 pounds, maybe less than 10 pounds, because I was able to pick it up easily by myself. Usually I need help, but I was the only one in the office that day. Isn't she pretty? Look at her. Nice and small and easy. There we go. Isn't it easy? Look at it. Nice and simple. Oops, excuse my butt. Ooh, nice butt, by the way. We're going to use a little screwdriver to open it up because it's locked. You're going to pull that hatch off. Here's the network card. It comes with 2 ports, 10 gig or dual ports. It can operate in 1 gig, 10 gig mode. You're going to slide the slider up, and we're going to take out the vent, pull out the chip piece, and slide our network card in, and just push till you hear it click. Put down your plastic piece. It's like a lock, it locks it in place. Make sure it's secure. Slide back in your slider, and let's put back on our cover. You're gonna press until you hear a snap. Put your cover on, slide it until it clicks in. Then we're gonna lock it back in place. That's it, all done. That's how you add a network card to an R660 Poweredge server. Have a great day.